Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to build data-driven dashboards in Canva and step by step so you can visualize your business metrics clearly and make smarter decisions. First, go to canva.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, type dashboard or report into the search bar. You'll see a variety of templates designed for business analytics, marketing metrics, and performance tracking. Choose one that fits your style and the type of data you want to display. Next, open the template in the editor. Start by customizing the title, headings, and layout to match your business needs. Replace placeholder text with your actual metrics, KPIs, or insights. Keep each section concise so viewers can quickly understand the data. Now enhance your dashboard with charts, graphs, and icons from the Elements tab. Canva allows you to link charts to data manually or visually represent trends with bars, lines, or pie charts. You can also use color coding to highlight key insights. After that, adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. Consistency in design makes your dashboards look professional and easier to read for team members or stakeholders. Finally, preview your dashboard, make sure everything is aligned, and click Share or Download. PDF works well for reporting, while PNG or JPG is ideal for presentations or internal use. And yeah, that's it. With Canva, you can create professional, data-driven dashboards that communicate insights effectively and support informed business decisions. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.